1 minute, please. Please be so kind. Mehez, listen to the other person sometimes. It is sometimes an entirely enriching experience. It is an entirely enriching experience to listen to others. I assure you, it can be enriching, interesting, and life-changing. If only you did that, Mehez, things would be so much better. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now my debate goes, Savio, my friend, I'm making you wait, but I'm going to Subrashta next. I'm going to Subrashta versus Gurmukh Chaudhary, who's a lawyer. And I want to make a small point. See, why is Mehez Khan making this about the death penalty, Subrashta? I'll tell you why. And I'll tell you why not just Mehez. All of our ilk will make this about the death penalty. You know why, Subrashta? Because they don't want to talk about the real crime, which is terrorism, killing people, planting bombs, ruining lives, killing children, killing women, having AK-47s in your house, right? They don't want to talk about that. They want some stupid debate on the death penalty, which is not even relevant. The real debate is that an inspector lost his life and he, his family, all his supporters were abused for the last 12 years. These people like Mehez Subrashta have never asked what MC Sharma's family would have gone through. They are ungrateful people. People who will sit there in comfort and abuse the person who gave up his life fighting terrorists. That's why they want to make this some convoluted debate about the death penalty. No. Why, you know, Subrashta? Because this was the Lutyens group which says the nation needs to know the true story. Were they terrorists? Who was behind them? They spun a whole theory. They went to town saying they were not terrorists. They carried out protest marches. Where the hell is Arundhati Roy, who was protesting in Jamia, demanding a judicial inquiry into the Batla House encounter, demanding a probe, calling the situation very serious, saying innocents are being killed. Where is Arundhati Roy today? The court has given its verdict. Where is she today? So they want to change it. They're the ones who held a candlelight vigil. Oh, Communist Party of India, Liberation Students Wing, All India Students Union carried out protests, candlelight vigils, independent judicial inquiry. People like us, Subrashta, I'll close with this, were bloodthirsty right-wingers, you know. And they were the people with empathy, no empathy for MC Sharma. That's why, Subrashta, they want to make it a debate on the death penalty. We must not allow them. Over to you. We must not allow them. Over to you.
Thank you. Arnab, I think you
context brilliantly. Let me put it out on record that I'm seething with rage today, even if, you know, some kind of justice has been served in this case. Because these people who talk about death penalty, who want to obfuscate the discussion absolutely, forget what happened on 30th December 2008. My beloved Delhi was rocked by 5 bombs, 3 of which were identified later, but 5 bombs, Arnab. 2 in CP, 1 in Ghaffar Market at Karol Bagh, and 2 in GKM block. Do these people understand what those, you know, beloved family members who would have been waiting for their husbands or wives to return home from work and have a meal, what problems they might have gone through, what pain they might have gone through? This entire narrative on capital punishment, Arnab, I want to ask all these pseudo-seculars and pseudo-activists who are sitting here, have they written a single petition to their parliamentarians asking them to take up the debate on capital punishment in the parliament? Why is it that every time a terrorist is booked and is brought to light and is brought to some kind of justice, that their hearts start bleeding all of a sudden? Why does the hemorrhage happen only then? Why don't they hemorrhage and why have they not hemorrhaged for somebody like Mohan Chand Sharma? I think only, sir, I have not yet finished, sir. Sir, I'm not, sir, I'm sorry. Sir, with folded requests, these are the kind of, no, sir, these are the kind of reports published by absolute propaganda sites, and let me put it out on record, Arnab, for the young viewers of your show. They should actually go to sham of websites like revolutionarydemocracy.com and the kind of narrative and agenda they peddle in 60-page documents saying that these terrorists who have been brought to light today are innocent people. Sir, I'm not done. You will get your chance. I'm sure you know the format of the debate. I'm sure Arnab knows your name. There's a reason why I'm not being intervened, because youngsters like you don't want to know the truth. Because youngsters like you are absolutely brainwashed by propagandist sites whose name I just quoted. Please tell
request
me,
you to
sir,
abstain
why
from
would
making
you
personal
choose?
comments.
Why would you choose to romanticize, these terrorists who rocked my beloved Delhi for half an hour with 5 bombs, 3 of which were found, one in a
Who
children's
is
park, sir?
romanticizing?
Do you understand?
Congress
do you
party
understand the gravity
never
of the situation,
endorsed
sir?
these
How
terrorists.
dare you? How dare
You
you?
need
Let
to
me use
understand
Greta
one thing,
Thunberg's
that Sonia
absolutely
Gandhi
fantastic
or
expression.
Salman
How
Khurshid
dare you talk to me
never
about the veracity of
endorsed
capital
the Gori
punishment today?
incident.
Sir,
They never did
when
that.
Mohan Chand Sharma was killed, did you take out
I'm not
did you
talking
take out
about
a protest
capital
march
punishment
from
here.
Jamia Nagar and say no student living in Jamia Nagar should ever involve himself in terrorist activity? Did you, sir, throng the gates of ANU,
all
Aligarh
they
Muslim
asked is
University,
for
and
a free
say,
and fair
implore
trial and a
people like
judicial
Sharjeel
inquiry
and say,
that
you
is
guys are
guaranteed
never
by the
going to become
Constitution.
terrorists.
That is
Sir,
I want to show that
guaranteed by the
picture.
Constitution. You
Do
should
not-
know something
do
about
not
the Constitution.
Shed 2 drops of tear for
You
Mohan
should
Chand
know
Sharma.
something about the
He did not
Constitution.
die for nothing. He did not die for
What are
nothing.
you saying?
He died so that people like you
Mohan
and me,
Chand
you and
Sharma
I,
ji was
a Delhiite
awarded the
like me, can
Ashoka
stand
Chakra
today
during the
and
UPA.
speak in safety.